All right, wanted to show a quick video update on our 100-ton press and how we're using it. So these are the dies that we have that we've made. They're actually stacks of AR500 steel that we've cut out on our table to a specific profile. There's a positive and a negative die. They fit in here, and it lines up with the cylinder right there. So what we do is we put a piece of steel in there, right like that, and then we turn it on. And then that cylinder will come over and push this thing together. So that goes up to 10,000 PSI, which for this cylinder is about 100 tons. Once that backs off a little bit, the plate will come out. There you go. There's our curved plate.